Welcome to my channel. In this episode, we will solve a model thermodynamic system for which internal energy E is a function of S, N and V. S is the entropy, N is the number of particles in the system and V is the volume, where A is some constant. Show that in this case Cp by Cv equals to 4. We know internal energy E, that is dE, is equals to TdS minus PdV plus mu dN, where mu is the chemical potential, N is the number of particles. Therefore, we can say T equals to, where V and N constant, that means dV 0, dN 0, del E del S, and P equals to minus del E del V, where S and N constant and mu is equals to chemical potential del E del N S comma V constant. And if we take the derivative of this equation, we will get these three quantities as denoted by equation 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Choosing any of two of these equations, we can eliminate S, and which is inconvenient for experimental purpose. Entropy cannot be measured directly. This yields three equations of state. In order to eliminate S, I am just squaring and just cubing this equation and squaring this equation 2 and dividing by this, we'll get this and subsequently this. Only two of which are independent. Okay. From equation 1, S equal to this nVt by 3a to the power half. Therefore, Cv equals to TdS T ds dt, V and N constant, and if we take derivative of this ds dt, we will get this equation 4. From equation 1 and 2, and if we eliminate V, we will get T square by P equals to 9as by N, and S equals to this. Cp is TdS T ds dt, P and N constant. T square by P 2n by 9, equation 5. Now Cp by Cv is equals to 4.